Hello everyone. I'm here with the one new chapter that is changes around us. What does the word change define to us? Change means make something or someone different or some kind of modification, right? In this chapter, we will be learning what are changes around us, or I can say changes in us surrounding. So let's study. In this chapter, we will be learning all these objectives. What does change? How we can bring a change in a substance? What effect they have on substance? Types of changes and contraction. In this lecture, we will be completing first three content. That is, what is change? How we can bring a change in the substance, what effect they have on substance. Plus, so let's start with the first. What has changed? Transition of any substance from one form to another is called change. When any substance is changing its form, it is called a change. Here we can see the example of flower getting changed into fruit after some period of time. We can also see the day is getting converted into the night. These all are changes around us. Now, Rahul asked to Rohan how we can cause changes in substance. Rohan said, there are three ways to cause change in substance. What are the three ways? Let's study it. The three ways are heating, applying force, mixing of substance. Yeah, so let's start with the first. So heating. After heating some object, they do not change their state. Graphite and diamond are the best example for this sentence. Graphite and diamond are the substance who do not change their state after heating. Why they do not change their state? Because the carbon molecules, or I can say carbon bonds present in them are very tightly joined to each other, and hence that makes them to do not change their modification. Some of the substance expand after heating. So the best example for this is iron. When we will heat the iron for a long time, we can see some kind of expansion. Yes, so iron is one of the best example that expands after heating. Now next, after heating, some substance change their state. Hey, for this, the best example is ice. When we will heat ice, it changes its state, that is, from solid to liquid, and gets converted into the liquid form of water. So these are what the effective ways. So these are the ways which affect on the substance to change their states or to bring change. So this was the first way which helps substance to bring change in them. Now let's learn about applying force on a substance. By applying force on an object, it will change its shape and size. We can see the gold which can change its shape and size or changes its deformation when we apply force on it. When we hammer gold, it gets converted into the thin plates or can get converted into the thin wires. So hence, gold is the best example. Next, compression of air. When we blow air in balloon, the deflated balloon gets into the state of flattened balloon. So it changes its state. Deflated one gets into the inflated one. So hence, this is what we are applying the atmospheric pressure over here. And the last one, metals can be hammered into the thin wire and sheets. As we have seen the example of gold, so there are some more examples of metal like aluminium and copper are the metal having the same property. Or I can say are the metal to whom which if we apply force can change their state. Hence, this was all about the second way of helping substance to change their state, that is applying force. And the last one is mixing. This is very easy type to change the substance into another form. What does the mixing defines? Combining or putting two substances together to form one new substance. If I mix sugar with water, I can see the taste of water get changed. So this is one type of change. When acid is getting reacted with base or acid and base are getting mixed together, they form salt and water. So some kind of changes, modifications are taking place at chemical level and hence we are able to see the new substance forming over there. So this is done for this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture. Thank you.